Thank you for the podcast. Morsive interview. I thank you.
That cannot have been on a script. You came up with that, my man. I'm telling you. Oh, man. In closing, thank you so much, bro, for taking time out to chill with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
In closing, what do you want to be remembered as when it's all said and done?
I just want to be remembered as an actor who loved his work and who had great respect for others.
Because my train was delayed. That's why I sang Lolly Lolly. But hello everyone.
Hi.
We are the Alignment Brothers. We have a beautiful song for you.
Yes.
You ready?
Yeah. Go.
Align. 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 Align, 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 align,
Happy weekend, everyone. See you on Monday.
Cobras
with a strong bubbles. Happy weekend.
Massive. Okay, so
Stop it.
Maria.
how's 8 for you, sir?
I'm happy.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Since Devakele Tinzaba at the Presley, who was well known as Utsotsi labanye bamatinga copra lapana go the river, so people are really shocked after kuvakale ukuthi akasekho. People were like so shocked ukuthi kanjani since singakeva ukuthi yagula. So cause of that yakhe has been revealed, and ushone due to epilepsy, seizure, and he was rushed to a public hospital la afike awashonela khona, washona namhla ekuseni, and people are really so sad ukuthi a legend has fallen. Indeed, this is so sad. This is really heartbreaking news. Lebantu abaningi, they are still trying to process ukuthi vele akasekho. So Cobra emhlabeni this year besekana 40 years, and he was still young, 40, like he was still very young. So abantu abaningi bayasho nje ukuthi batomkhumbula kakhulu, and people are posting my pictures akhe, funny moments akhe laphana ku TikTok. People are just celebrating his life. Uthi yena makane interview laphana na Meg J uthi he wants to be remembered as an actor lobekathanza umsebenzi wakhe lo futhi bekahlonipha bonke bantu. That's how he said ukuthi he wants to be remembered after all is said and done. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.